guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys my room tour. I know you have requested me to do a room tour because this summer I got like a new bed and a new bedding. So when you first come in, here are my signs that says my room was clean, but then I had to decide what to wear. So come on in. So when you first come in, this is where I hang up my coats and jackets. So here is my cubbies, the thing where I keep my hats, my shoes and stuff. And next to my closet, this is where I keep my clothes. But then this side, this is where I keep my jeans, shirt, my jeans, shirt, jean shorts, pajamas, and other stuff in. But then right here, this is where I keep my TV, and right there, this is where I keep my perfumes, and also this is my vanity. And all I have is my nightstand, and I painted my hashtag purple. And right here is my bed because it's so comfy. Also, I keep in my unicorn pillow sham that I got, my boxer pillow, and my chair pillow. And here's my name that says hashtag Ashley, and another sign that says cool.DJ Ashley rocks. And this is my old thing for my 6th grade dance. This is my pictures. So then this side, this is where I keep pictures of the 5 seconds of summer, pictures of me and my friends, my dry erase board. This is where I keep my friends from my old school play. And this is my picture that I went to the Robbie Rosen concert. But then also, this is where I keep my jewelry in, where I keep necklaces. And the other one is where I keep my earrings in. And also, here's a bin where I keep my Alex and Ani bracelets, my Alex and Ani's. But then, under my bed, I have this bed skirt where I keep boots, sneakers, flats, and other stuff like that. Because I don't know why. And thank you guys for watching my room tour. Comment down below what's in your room, and what do you keep under underneath the bed skirt. See you guys next week. Bye.